Okay, after you register for your professional development session, you will want to email me and let me know that you have done so. I will then go in and mark your attendance and give you credit for the session. I will then email you back and say, hey, go complete your evaluation. And you will log back in to the staff development system. Once you log in, you will come over to the evaluation tab. Click there and you will enter your social security number. And you'll have to verify it. And then hit go. It will then pull up a drop-down box and you can see that I have done those steps. I've registered for this session and now it pops up here as an evaluation that I can complete. When you open that, it then gives you the option to go in and rate the sessions. I'm not going to sit here and make you sit through this. You will fill out the bubbles for each of the different little containers like presentation, presenter evaluation. You can give us additional feedback. We do use this to plan for future sessions. Additional comments, and then click submit. Once you have done that, you then officially have credit for the professional development session. If you just register and I mark attendance and give you credit, but you don't submit an evaluation, you still will not receive credit for the actual time and work that you put into the course. So please make sure that you follow all of the steps. Unfortunately, I am unable to log in and do them for you in any capacity because we don't share our social security numbers. So, if it gets to be the last minute and you haven't done it, you're just out of luck and you don't earn the professional development credit. So don't let these opportunities pass you by. Let me know if you have questions or have trouble navigating the system.